Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will conduct a comparison review of two welding magnet set. The first set is from INGCO and the other set is from AASONS. The INGCO set costs 805 rupees, while the one from AASONS costs 685 rupees. For those of you who don't know, a welding magnet is a tool used in welding to hold metal pieces together in precise angles during the welding process. Like in our case, these magnets can hold in 90 degree, 45 and 135 degree. Let's start the video by reviewing the set from INGCO. This 6-piece set has 4 small welding magnet and 2 large ones. The large ones are 3-inch in size, while the small ones are 1.5, 2.5 and 2-inch in size. The larger ones have a lifting capacity of 11 kilograms, whereas the smaller ones have a capacity of 4.5 kilograms. We will check if this is true later in the video. Speaking of looks, these things look pretty cool in yellow with a black logo in the center. Now let's check if all angles in the magnets are accurate. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, I'd greatly appreciate it if you consider buying them through the link provided in the description. Your support would truly mean a lot to me. Now we've seen that all angles are on point. The next job is to check how much weight can these bad boys lift. We're kicking off the lifting capacity test by lifting a 5.5 kilogram rectangular tube, which will be used to build our drift trike chassis. That thing just lifted it right up, so let's add 2 kilograms more. For those new to the channel, we've started a series in which we'll build a drift trike from scratch. If you're curious, head over to our channel page for more details and updates on the project. That thing just lifted 8 kilograms, so let's add 400 grams more. Lifted that too, so let's go all the way up to 9 kilograms. Just barely lifted it. So I would say its real lifting capacity is somewhere between 8.4 kilograms and 9 kilograms. Next, let's put the small magnets to the test. We'll attempt to lift a 2.4 kilograms steel plate that's 5 millimeter thick. Lifted that, now let's add a kilogram more. Next, let's try adding 400 grams. Oh, it couldn't hold on. So for this magnet, the lifting capacity will be around 3.4 kilograms. Next, let's try welding with this thing. After using these tools for a while, I'd say the larger ones perform admirably. They exhibit impressive strength, particularly when holding metal pipes vertically. However, their performance in parallel positions isn't as remarkable. Nevertheless, considering the price range, they're still a solid choice overall. Talking about the smaller ones, they are quite effective, suitable for holding small metal pieces, and are very handy sometimes. Now, let's discuss the other set from the AASONS. Unfortunately, I lost most of the footage of that set, but let's proceed with what we do have. The welding magnet set from AASONS includes 2 arrow-shaped magnets, 2 small magnets, and 2 pentagon-shaped magnets capable of holding metal pieces at 90 degrees, 45, 60, 75, 30, and 135 degrees. When I checked, the accuracy of the arrow magnet and the small ones was accurate, but the angles in the pentagon-shaped magnet were a bit off. The looks of this set seems fairly standard, but upon closer inspection, it appears that the paint coating is too thin. I doubt that this thin layer of paint will provide adequate protection. Let's get straight to the point. I wouldn't recommend purchasing this set because the magnets are too weak. The company claims a lifting capacity of 10 kilograms for the arrow and polygon-shaped ones, and 4 kilograms for the small ones. But when I tested the big one, they maxed out at 1.5 kilograms. Also, the magnets struggle to hold square tube together during the welding process. Overall, I don't think this set would be suitable for our welding needs. These small magnets aren't very useful because they're not strong enough to do much. I would say the INGCO set is a way better option than the one from AASONS. That's it for today's video. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I will be covering more tools in the future, so hit that bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one. Bye bye.